How to add Shopify website in Google Search Console. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create their own online stores and sell products and services across various channels including websites, social media, and online marketplaces. And Shopify also offers a user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and a wide range of tools to help users manage everything from product listing and inventory to payments and shipping. So now to create an account, you can simply click the login button on the top right corner or start free trial button, and after signing in, you'll automatically be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now after signing in, to add this Shopify store to Google Search Console, you simply go to this googlesearchconsole.com or search.google.com. And after that, from here it will show you the overview and just click the Start Now button. And upon doing so, you should be able to see here the option to add your first property. We have here to choose either domain and URL prefix, in which by choosing domain, in which it says here that all URLs across all subdomains need to have this triple W dot or with HTTPS. It also requires DNS verification. So if you don't know how to start doing it, you can use this URL prefix, where all you need to do is simply paste here the URL of your Shopify store. And to do that, all you need to do from here is simply go back to our Shopify store, and after that just click this eye icon to visit our online store. And here it will show you the link or URL of our store. So kindly copy it and paste it directly in this. And after that just click the continue button below, and it will show you that you have now currently being verified, and it will show you the option to navigate or to do. We have here firstly using HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, domain provider, and many more. And by choosing firstly, for example, this HTML tag, all you need to do is simply copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site homepage. So you can simply copy it and verify it after doing it. Moving on, you could also navigate using this Google Analytics, or all you need to do is simply navigate the Google Analytics options or integrations on your Shopify. You could also try using Google Tag Manager and even many more. Now let's say we're going to use or firstly doing this Google Analytics, and to do that, just click the verify button on it, but you will be able to see an error upon verifying it, since our ownership of our Google Analytics is not currently verified. So just simply go in our Shopify, and under this online store, kindly click these preferences. And upon clicking on it, you should be able to see here the option to choose a variety of integration. And from here, just simply click or choose the Google Analytics in here. However, as you can see, it has been migrated into customer events since I'm only using my free account on Shopify. But if you have an upgrade account on Shopify, you can simply activate your Google Analytics and start connecting it directly to Google Search Console. Or you could also use the search bar to search for Google Analytics option. However, it is currently not available since it has been moved to customer events, in which when you try to click on it, it says here that you need to activate or enable the third-party services to securely collect and use customer events, in which it takes more time and steps. And given the circumstances, I'm going to use the other way on how we can start connecting our Shopify store in our Google Search Console. And to do that, just simply go back in this page, and instead of using Google Analytics, we're going to use the other options, which is using this HTML tag. So can you click this one and copy the code below or this meta tag, and we're going to paste this in our Shopify online store in here. So from here, you can simply click the customize theme button below, or you can go back on this page and click online store on the left side panel, and under themes, just click customize button. Upon doing so, you should be directed in here, and make sure that you already copy this code, in which it will help us to verify our account in Shopify. And on the left side panel from here, you could also add a section and click custom liquid if you want to add the code to our header section. And upon doing so, it will show you on the left side panel the liquid code, so kindly paste it right here. You could also start customizing the color scheme and even the layout of it. After that, just click the save button on the top right corner, in which it will undergo a process on verifying. So after that, just simply go back to our page right here in Google Search Console and click verify once we've now successfully copied and paste the code to our Shopify store. However, at this point, it is currently not find any verification meta tag in our store. So you can start refreshing it until you will see this kind of page, of Google Search Console, which means you have now successfully added your Shopify online store in here on Google Search Console. And from here, you can track the performance of your website, of your Shopify store, the performance of this, the experience, and other analytics data in here. So basically, connecting Shopify to Google Search Console is important because it helps store owners monitor and improve their site's presence in Google search results. And that is just how you can start adding Shopify website in Google Search Console.